Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have a selection of Triumph steering wheels. These are TR5. These, I believe, are GT6. Now, obviously the wood rim, we've stripped and re-lacquered the rim and polished the spokes as best they can be polished. And these leather-bound ones, we've polished the spokes and reclad the rims with new leather. Obviously, this is reliant on how good the insides of these are, the rubber which backs these leather steering wheels up. These are all repaired TR5 steering wheels with new centre pads. Again, we've covered them in leather, but that's very much reliant on what's inside them. If the rubber's decayed, they will vary. The rubber does shrink. We can recast it at extra cost. Now, the new horn pads, as you can see, they're a copy of the original with studs on the back there, which mount them onto the frame with the original domed nuts. But say these are all repaired steering wheels, but we can make new TR5 steering wheels if you haven't got a steering wheel at all. And then just go around all the edges of the rims.